Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to get face tracking on Roblox. So first of all guys, if you are new on channel, please subscribe to our channel, like the video. Let's start the video. First of all guys, to get face tracking, you have to enable some permissions from privacy. And what are those? Let's go inside the privacy option. So just first of all, you have to click on three dot, go to settings, go to in privacy. In the privacy, let it open first. In the privacy, you have to scroll down, and here you have to be in the camera input, where you have to enable your camera permission. So you have to enable your camera to animate your avatar with your movement. To enable it, you have to click on this toggle button. Just click on it to disable, click on it to enable, and click on enable button to enable your camera to be used by Roblox. Once you're done, now you have to click on just come out of this privacy and let's play the game again. So open any game that supports camera as communication. So in those game only the face tracking will work. Once you're in the game again, so now you just need to click on this video icon here on the avatar side to enable face tracking. So if you don't see this face tracking or this video icon, you must have not enabled your camera. So first of all, you have to enable your camera, and now you will see this option. Click on this video icon and you will get your face tracking here. The green dot shows that Roblox is using your camera. Now if you move your head, it will sync with your avatar. So I have to reconnect it. So, so now you just need to click on this video icon and your face tracking has been started working. Now it's just telling me. So now if you move your head, it will sync with your avatar, and make sure your camera is being used by and is on the default that you are using. So yeah, that's how you can get it. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching.